Hello. We are working on a '08 Volkswagen Jetta, and it's missing its ignition lock cylinder because the key was locked up in it. So we took the ignition lock off, got the new lock cylinder and the cylinders put into the lock system, and so now I'm going to put it back in. But I want to give you a quick rundown of what had to come off. First, you get the airbag off, then you take out the bolt that holds the steering wheel on, and then you get down to this. The biggest, most frustrating thing about this whole job is this. This is the electronics that go on the bottom here, like this. And as you can see, there's a lovely little... These tabs are what you gotta press. You gotta press that one in and this one in. Thankfully, this one you can just reach up from under the steering wheel and push it in with your finger. This one here, you need something like this to stick through this hole and reach in there and press it back. So once you get that off, or those two things unclipped, this will just pull down, and that'll allow you to get to the ignition lock, because you'll have to go through the top here and drill out the bolts that go into there, and that's the end of that. So you get it off. So now we're gonna put it back together. That was all, and I just wanted to share. We also have an Audi S5 here to look at. It's misfiring and it has a bad fan somewhere, and we're going to figure that out as well. So, yay! Alright, so I'm going to show you a really quick guide onto changing your drive belt on this Honda. What you need is you need a 14mm, preferably wrench or ratchet. This is a long-handled ratcheting wrench, and you're going to pull it towards the front of the car, like so. And you see how it loosens up the belt? I already put the new belt on, but... So you're going to do that, then you'll basically just pick off. You pull it, and then you pick off one of the belts off of the pulley, and then you let it go, and it'll get loose, pull it all out. You just got to fish it around down there. Get your new belt fished around, get it around the pulleys in this order, which is crank pulley to the tensioner, over the power steering, over the alternator, and then back around the water pump like that. So we got it all routed correctly, but pretty much you want to route it and then leave the water pump part of it off as long as possible until you are ready to pull the tensioner and fight the belt on. Some little tricks you can do before you get the belt tension. You can sometimes make it slide over the crankshaft, and so it'll help you get it in all the grooves. If you don't have enough room up here, if it's still too tight and you can't get it over the pulley, somewhere else on the belt it's not sitting in the grooves, so you just have to find it. I did all of this from the top here with the help of this little thing. I use that to reach down there and poke the belt around when I needed to. So a long screwdriver or a stick, something like that would work. So hopefully it helps, and helps you change your own drive belt. So there you go, and thanks.